What would that be?
I mean, I'm not trying to put her business out there. Can we just keep it respectful? Like,
Okay,
you know what I'm saying?
you.
Like, you know what I'm saying? And she's pregnant. Like, that's.
Okay, it doesn't.
But she's like, I'm gonna kill
Y'all
myself.
got into an argument because she was cleaning someone's room naked and she was talking to someone?
On October 5th, 2024, deputies were called to a campground where one resident was completely out of control. What started as yelling and chaos quickly turned into something far more serious.
I don't want
I know I seen you weeks ago. I don't remember your name. I meet a lot of people. What's your name?
James, dude.
James?
Yes, sir. I understand my Miranda rights. Like,
I'm still going to read them
Okay,
anyway. James, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have them or with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you.
yes, sir.
If at any time you wish to stop talking and have an attorney present, all questions will be stopped at your request. You understand these rights, James?
Yes, sir.
You still willing to speak with me, James?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And this sounds crazy. Can I smoke that cigarette?
No.
It's on the ground over there. Like,
You're in handcuffs, so I'm not getting that cigarette for you.
I understand.
So,
And she's
why are we here?
because all right, she was over there with me, right,
Over where?
at the Red Roof.
At Red Roof.
Yes.
Okay.
She came over here to take her son to school, right?
Okay.
Like, she's got the cigarettes. You know what I'm saying? Like, she had a key over here. She had a key for both of them. You know what I'm saying? Like, and she gets kicked out at 11, right? And fucking,
Okay.
and like, she does something that I don't agree with. You know what I'm saying? Just to support her and her son, right?
What would that be?
I mean, I'm not trying to put her business out there. Can we just keep it respectful? Like,
Okay.
you know what I'm
I
saying?
got
Like, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not a. But you see how like I get jittery, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been in prison my whole life. I'm not a violent offender. I'm not a sex offender. I'm a stand-up guy that's got morals and ethics, right? And sometimes they let me over here. She made a statement, right, on this whole thing. Like, the maintenance, the trespass don't have anything to do with her. The trespass is on the maintenance man that told me, come outside, me and you sit in a fight. And she'll tell you the same story. And then when I come outside, he went and bang on the window. That's how I got the trespass, right? And
yeah, you were trespassed from here. But again, that's in the past. We'll deal with that later. What happened today?
Oh, so she was talking to the dude, right?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And
What dude?
She's got, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like a free for all. You know what I'm saying? Like, she's got one. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I don't know
We
what you're
don't
saying.
know what you're saying. You just
She
keep
goes
saying
over there
you're
and cleans house naked and, you know what I'm saying? And things of that nature. And I
Is
don't.
she like doing some prostitution? Is that what the deal is? I don't care if she is. I'm just not understanding what you're saying.
But it's something along those lines. I don't really ask, you know what I'm saying? Like, but she knows that. And like, she was talking to him, and I was like, "Wouldn't take it." She said, "Go sign your name on." And I was like, "That's fine. Like, can you drop me off at the bus station? I'm going back to Atlanta." Like she's the only person I know down here. Like, I don't.
You told me you were leaving weeks ago when I trespassed you.
Like, she's the only person I know. Like, my mother will only answer the Florida numbers from her cell phone. Like,
You've searched.
Not yet.
I got I think that there's a Zippo and a hotel key and
Do you
that.
have anything else on you?
No, man. There's another lighter that don't work.
All right. So you said that.
Oh, your ankle.
Man, we picked berries, and I got it all. My bad, I didn't mean to cut you off, but they're like berry ones.
You have a permit to pick berries?
Yes, ma'am. She does. I'm just
You just supervise?
I'm like the do boy. You know what I'm saying? Like, then it's all like we work together, live together, and it's.
All right. So you guys got in an argument because she was cleaning some guy's house.
It wasn't an argument. I was just like at 6 o'clock this morning, right? Like, she wanted, and she's pregnant. Like, that's
Okay, it doesn't.
But she's like, I'm gonna kill
Y'all
myself.
got into an argument because she was cleaning someone's room naked and she was talking to someone.
It was like when she did that spotting thing. I'm not sure exactly how it works. The spotting thing before your period's supposed to be. Hey, can I just tell her I love her? Like, I don't want to.
No, you're not going to talk
Let's
to her.
finish what we're doing here, okay? So we still haven't gotten anywhere.
But that was, you know what I'm saying? It was along the lines of, you know what I'm saying? Like,
James.
Like, there's a statement, right? We're right there with the barrier permits, right? Where she went to court last Tuesday. She said,
Let's talk
That
about
has
today.
nothing to do with
my
today.
bad, right? but like when she's around that dude, right? It's like, oh, you're crazy and you're, you know what I'm saying? Like, and that hurts, dog. Like, but when she's around me, it's he's crazy.
So you said, I hate you because you're around the dude.
I mean, I called her a whore, and like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay, so let's talk about what happened today.
And that's it. And she's like, leave. So she come down here and told, but she told that the dudes who called y'all, like she said, if I don't call you back in 5 minutes, call the police, right? And I was just, I kept telling her, like, hey, call buddy back, like, let's go take my name off the room, and like just call, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was kneeled down in the floor, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if she wanted to see, like, and as soon as I called her a whore, you know what I'm saying? I felt horrible, like.
So what happened after you called her a whore?
She told me she didn't never want to be with me. I'm like,
okay.
Like I'm attached to it.
Where were you when this happened?
Kneeled down at her. She was sitting in the driver's seat.
Yeah. You good, Will? What's going on, man?
What happened next quickly turned a strange encounter into a full-blown meltdown.
On this property, and if you were to be on this property, you'd be subject to arrest.
She went up there and asked me. You know what I'm saying? Like right before, like she went up there and she like they didn't call the police. That Mike guy called y'all. Like you know what I'm saying?
It doesn't matter who calls us. You ain't supposed to be here.
I asked the judge
Yeah.
We got a call about y'all yesterday too.
I don't. That might have not been me. Yes,
No, it was a white Ford Ranger coming from McConnell College. Yeah, that was you.
That was
y'all.
That
was y'all.
Yesterday, I was at the Red Roof all day.
And what is it that you asked the judge?
I asked the judge. I said, "Ma'am, can you know what I'm saying? Can you like she got on? She walked up. That judge asked her, "Do you have anything to say?" She stood up and the statements with her berry permits. Like I seen it whenever last time I was in.
Yeah, the berry permits had nothing to do with you.
But she was like, she does know, right? Like I don't want to get her in trouble.
Yeah, I think you are trying to get her in trouble because you don't want to go to jail and you're trying to do anything you can to get out of it. And quite frankly, I don't care about her drug use because I'm here for something else completely right now. So
I don't touch. I don't want you. Like I never touch her. I did try to climb in the truck. I didn't try to climb on the
yeah.
But I don't like that's something I don't do. I don't.
Yeah, I meet a lot of people every day who tell me they don't do crappy things, and then they end up doing them. So.
Sir, please, hey, listen.
But deputies soon learned that Anthony's outburst had frightened more than just the campground staff.
Well, here's your ID back, man.
Any other? If you want to add them afterwards, you can.
I believe so. 'Cause I haven't gotten the chance to talk to her much.
Okay. All right, I'm just gonna have to right here.
At the very least, the jail will call you first. If they can't get a hold of you by phone, they'll send one of us to. She's keeping you in a corner if you're over at the Red Roof and you keep coming over here to see her.
No. I just got the Red Roof. Like I sleep in a hammock right up there on the other side of the Red Roof, and I finally I asked my mom. I said, please just give me a week because I was supposed to start this the hurricane cleanup, and that was going to be the end of her doing that whatever she does with her body. Like I'm not a dude. Like I was trying to. Listen, please. I want all these drug dealers and all this stuff. Like I'll tell you, I've been living here since August the 13th, right? Is when I used to be in 249.
What does this have to do with anything?
Please let me,
right now.
Please let me work this. Like I don't care about getting in there so much. Like
work what?
Work this trespassing. What am I being charged with? please,
At the very least, you're being charged with trespassing.
I mean, I'm okay with that. Like, that was what, like, I told her, like, if I would take a million, and as mad as it sounds, I was like, I'll take a million trespasses. As long as you hear what I need to say, like,
We've tried to hear what you had to say, and you just keep rambling in circles, talking about absolutely nothing. And then you keep talking about how the judge said something about your berry picking certificates, which has nothing to do with
the judge
anything.
didn't say nothing about the berry.
All right. Well, I wouldn't know because you talked about the judge and then berry picking certificate or whatever it was in the same sentence.
The statement she made, right? The last time I got this trespassing when they hit me with a cyber shovel, it said like plain she is not a victim.
Okay, that's a previous case. That's not today.
Yeah, I haven't. Like, I've only been over here 5 minutes.
It doesn't matter. You're not supposed to be back here at all.
Sir, I understand. Like,
No, you don't, because you already got arrested for trespassing back over here, and you're here again. After you were served the trespass, got arrested for it, and here you are in the backseat of another patrol car.
Sir, I know.
Like, clearly you don't understand nothing.
Sir, I do. Like, but like, can you imagine being when I went to jail the first time, right? I lost everything that I had. If you look on that Find My Device on Google Maps, my phone's still here.
Okay, I've got no
any,
way of
if I don't
finding
have any
that.
clothes, I don't have nothing.
You should have kept that in mind before coming back over here, but you don't care. So
I do care, but that's when I started talking, like when she looked me in my eyes and told me she loved me, it you know, like I was 35 before anybody like a significant other told me they loved me, and it took my brain and dumped it out like.
that doesn't make a lick of sense, but
I mean, you know, that was the best analogy I could come up with.
all right.
Hey, can I speak to the faucet back there, sir?
No. Oh, my bad. 894-95.
By the end of the investigation, Anthony Savone's outburst had gone far beyond a simple disturbance. What began as screaming and aggressive behavior ended with frightened residents, property damage, and threats that left an elderly woman fearing for her safety. Savone was ultimately charged with breach of peace and assault on a person over 65. If you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and check out the next story.